So smartphone OEMs are no longer limiting themselves to just phones, and they now have an ecosystem of products around their marquee devices. Now Realme for one has been doing it for a while, and at an event recently, the company introduced a ton of different products including a security cam and this. Now this right here is the Realme Smart Plug, and in this video I'll walk you through my initial setup and first impressions of the same. Let's go. So, on the off chance you guys don't know what a smart plug is, well, it essentially converts a conventional socket in your household into something that can be controlled via your phone or an app. So let's start with the unboxing of the Realme Smart Plug. Now this is your startup guide, and here's the adapter. Now once you plug it into any socket at your place, you'll have to download the Realme Link app, and from there you can connect the smart plug to your phone. Now this plug usually comes up straight away, but if it doesn't, then you can add the device manually. And I'd also like to add that if you want to use another phone down the line and you want to unpair this Realme Smart Plug from your current phone, then all you have to do is press this button at the bottom for a couple of seconds to put it back in pairing mode. Now as for what you can do with the plug, well, you can obviously turn things on or off from the comfort of your bed, but more interestingly, you can also schedule things to turn on or off from within the app. So you could have your Bluetooth speaker on and ready to go by the time you return from work, or just have a lamp light scheduled to turn on in the morning as a wake-up reminder. The possibilities are honestly endless, and as you can see, the plug does work as advertised. Now obviously the smart plug also comes with a bunch of different safety features, including safety shutter for children, overheat protection, as well as a 2000 volt surge protection. Now one thing to note here is that you can actually control the Realme Smart Plug with your Google Assistant or Amazon's Alexa. Now I tested the same on Amazon's Alexa and it worked flawlessly. To do so, simply head over to your Alexa app, and from there head over to the skills and games section. Now you won't be able to find the smart plug all on its own, so you're going to have to teach Alexa a skill. Once you type in Realme Link, you should be able to pair your Realme account to Amazon account, and your Echo device will be able to find the smart plug easily. Then you can use voice commands like so. Alexa, turn off the Realme Smart Plug.
Did you mean Realme Smart Plug?
Yes.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the Realme Smart Plug. So guys, that was your first look at the Realme Smart Plug. Now this thing goes for 800 rupees on the company's website, and for the price, this is actually looking like a very good product. Obviously, I'll do a long-term review, share with you how this thing has held up over the test of time. But for the timing, if you enjoyed this video, do give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, this is Prateek from Mr. Phone signing off.